This screencast is going to show you how to insert an image into your Google Doc. So you have your Google Doc open, maybe you have some text on there and you want to add an image. There's a few ways that you can do that. You can go to the insert button and insert image. And so you have a few options. You can upload it from your computer. So if I click that, I can search for whatever image I want on my computer, if it's on my desktop, in my documents, wherever it is. So if I click the image, and it comes up on my Google Doc, right? And so when it comes up, I might think that this is too big for the document that I'm creating. So what I can do is click on it once, and I have all of these blue handles, and that's where I can resize by clicking and dragging them in or out, up or down. I can also rotate by going to that little blue dot and just dragging it to where I want the picture to be rotated to. If I decide that this is not the picture that I want, I can keep it clicked once so you see those handles and just click delete and it gets rid of it. I can also use a Google image search. So I can go to insert image and go to search the web, and it opens up like a Google toolbar right here. And so I searched winter and all of these pictures come up, and I just decide on the one that I want. So maybe I like this particular picture. I click it once, you get this little prompt that says insert, and it comes up. And again, I can click on it once, get those handles, drag in or out. And then down here, you have choices on how you want the picture to sort of interact with the text. So this first selection is inline, and what that means, it includes the picture in a paragraph as if it were text. The next one is wrap text, and that wraps any surrounding text around the selected image. And then the last one is break text, which creates a gap between the image and the text by it. Honestly, I tend to always use this one because this one allows you to move the picture around the document much more easily than the other two. So if I click break text, I can now move the image over, I can move it up, you can see it, then it moves the words around, but then you can kind of format it the way you want it. So if I wanted that to be a caption, I can move the picture until I have the text and the picture the way that I want. So right now, here we go, we have this is a sample Google Doc, I have my picture, and then I have the little caption. You can also insert an image from your drive. So if you have an image in your Google Drive, this will open up a little toolbar, and you can look in your Google Drive for an image. So it will open up all your images over there. So maybe I want this image. I would just click it once. I clicked insert, and it comes into my Google Drive. And again, I choose how I want it to interact with the text. If you have images in a Google photo album, you can put them in your Google Doc from there. Just by clicking this, it will open up over here. We'll open up your Google Photos. And then you can also do it from a URL. So if you have a URL image, you can just paste the URL into this box and the image will come in.